Hello again. To continue with our social media management course, let us move on from goal-driven strategy creation to discuss the mechanics of the campaign. Specifically, we're talking about using the SEMrush social media poster tool.
Traditionally, posting content to every platform for multiple clients' social media accounts was time-consuming, even frustrating. With so many open tabs, it is easy to make mistakes.
So, as the title of this video suggests, scheduling is an area of social media that is often ignored by novice marketers. Luckily, SEMrush provides you with the social media poster tool, which helps you manage your entire social media content plan in one place.
With the right process in place and the social media poster tool on hand, you can streamline the social media posting and scheduling process to increase engagement and reduce your workload at the same time.
Before you begin posting content, you will want to determine the best times to post. Timing does matter, even on the platforms that do not organize content chronologically.
Posting at peak times gives you the initial surge of engagement that will turbo boost your post in the algorithm. This will significantly increase the reach of those specific posts. With competition in user feeds ever increasing, any boost you can give your content is a good thing.
With that in mind, let us load the social media workspace. Then head over to the social media poster tool. Here, we're going to continue with our SMM campaign for Showtime.
Let's consider Facebook scheduling for a moment. Connecting our Facebook account, we can start scheduling our posts. Let's start with composing a text. Also, we can add images, GIFs, and links to our posts on the right. We can see a preview of our future post on a desktop or mobile device, and a calendar with all posts scheduled. When scheduling content for your Facebook pages in the social media poster, we will be able to see when our audience is most likely to be online and schedule our posts accordingly. With Social Media Poster, we can set up publication dates for any combination of our social profiles, saving time and reducing errors. We also have the choice to add these posts to our queue, post them immediately, save them as a draft, or schedule them to be posted later. Choose the desired options and click the Schedule Now button. Our scheduled post appears in the calendar. We can also set a posting schedule in our profile settings. Just click Settings, Profiles, and Queue, then Edit to enter the desired posting time. With Social Media Poster tool, you no longer need to have a different browser window open for each media account. We can see them in the Calendar tab. It allows us to schedule our posts at once. Clicking the Publish tab gives us the information at a glance, providing us with a snapshot view of each post's performance. You can easily estimate which post type or format has the biggest engagement rate based on the number of likes, shares, comments, or views.
With the information about successful posts in hand, you can begin to work on new, crafty social postings. For many people, setting aside time every day to create fun, thoughtful posts seems unrealistic. Fortunately, you do not need to have timely content to post every single day. In many cases, it is easier to spend 1 or 2 days a month creating a large queue of social media content that is ready to post anytime you have a void to be filled. And that is where the Queues tab comes in.
The social media poster queues enable you to create specific posts that you want to be shared when there is an empty space in the schedule, and it allows you to decide when you'd like to queue post to go live. The social content queues are designed to make life easier, as you can make last-minute changes from one neatly organized place.
Remember, maintaining lengthy queues assures that you will never run out of fresh content. so your social campaign results will be much stronger thanks to the posting regularity.
Let us move to Content Ideas tab.
Here we can share posts from other brands that we find interesting and worthy of being posted on our page. Once you have discovered brands that you want to share posts from, our social media poster tool will allow you to set up RSS feeds that can help you post external content from these brands to your channel's own social profiles. Click Add Feed and type the URL of the website or blog you want to share posts from. The feeds will automatically be updated with all new content from any given brand's RSS feeds, which we can then share to our clients' profiles with just a few clicks. Click Schedule and edit the post as you like. We can schedule these posts just like we would any other content, with additional options to publish them immediately, or put them into the queue and use this tool to build stronger relationships with other brands in your field. The tool can give you additional sources of content that your audience will love. Finally, let's take a brief look at the Analytics tab, where we can find useful statistics for the content published on our business account. The Analytics report provides us with a number of new likes gained, paid and organic unlikes, and net likes. Also, it can show us information about peak times when our fans are online, which is indispensable for post scheduling. In addition, we can study our audience's level of engagement by the following metrics: country of origin, language,
demographics.
And demographics.
You can use this information to create in-demand
content.
A couple of tips here. First, diversify your content feeds. Social media presence should be designed to nurture the relationship between a brand and its followers. Content should be about the brand some of the time, and some of the time it should be about broader content. We suggest sharing external content from other non-competing profiles with whom you would like to establish relationships.
Second, utilize the browser extensions available to you. We highly recommend you download and install the Social Media Poster Chrome extension. This extension allows you to share any type of social media content with one click whilst browsing the web. Check out its benefits and the further reading section.
Third, remember that while you cannot upload PDF documents with the Social Media Poster, you can upload animated GIF images, JPEG and PNG files, such as Giphy images. Finally, to grasp the material, try practicing with your SEMrush account while you watch this video, and learn using the additional materials we provide you. To recap, we discussed the Social Media Poster, which offers an easy way to draft, schedule, and post content on social media networks, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., without leaving the SEMrush interface. See you in the next video.